friends angazi from Geta from emacamping just two bamela phana ema-steps ubaba uzoveqeda abazema phambili.
Salibona nabo mina ngiyasibeka kakhulu ukuthi kukhulunywe first of all ngicela ukuthi ngikhulumele kumnawu wami osesakhala uthe sore ngakwana usidawu but already the fact that sisonke njalo futhi kulomfanami owasithiyayo othiwa nguAdam nguye wayaphoja uNdoro so silahlekelwe kakhulu and anginamanini amazwi ngakhuluma lapho but only to encourage abanye aba-expire ukuthi bebe ngama-football players to take it serious. Ibhora leli liyabhadala ungakhangela worldwide Ronaldo nabo Messi abantu they live on playing football so yingqobe ngichiya kwabancane abafuna ukudlala ibhola yabo
asimtshayele izandla baba Ndlovu. That's the legendary Martina Ndlovu khuluma Mofaya abangane bakaTendai ngithe very opangisa majita just two wena abanye lingabuye lizabele beceleni akula problem kodwa uzakhuluma two for 1 minute noma lingu 2 which means ngiyalika 2 minutes account lapha now.
Salibonani bazali bobhuti nabosisi nabalandeli bebhora ngakhohlwa beteam endala kanye nendazi ninjani izihlobo zami ngilapha ngizobuhlungu ngendoda esilayo umfowethu uhlaya Monakhi abanengane mazi uhlaya ebeyindoda ebekhuthele ngisetraining indoda ebexabanisa ama-defenders uhlaya umfowethu uqala ngokuthula mina kumakhawundi noyeza ukuthola
Tosha fire
Salibonani sihlobo labangani siyakhala sibhujelo hayi mina uNtoro umngani wami ngidlalela ibhola ngokudala elokishini sidlala ibhola lomphepha sikhula umphepha siphepa ibhola lelana elomphepha sidlala ibhola bengimthatha umngani wami kakhulu khulelayo lethu Ntoro